Crash course on Vietnam: will it become the Asia's next powerhouse? Vietnam, located in Southeast Asia, has a rich and complex history that has shaped its current political and economic landscape. The country has undergone significant changes in recent years and is often considered a rising power in the region. In this crash course, we will explore Vietnam's history, current state, and its potential as Asia's next powerhouse. History of Vietnam. Vietnam's history is marked by a long struggle for independence and self-determination. The country was first colonized by China in the 2nd century BCE and remained under Chinese control for over a millennium. In the 19th century, Vietnam became a French colony, and the country's nationalist movements began to emerge. In 1945, after the end of World War II, Vietnam declared its independence from France, but the French returned and fought a bitter war against the Vietnamese people, which ended with Vietnam's victory in 1954. The country was then divided into North and South Vietnam, and a civil war ensued. In 1975, North Vietnam defeated South Vietnam, leading to the unification of the country and the establishment of a socialist government. In the following years, Vietnam faced significant economic challenges due to isolationism and sanctions from Western countries. Current state of Vietnam. Since the 1980s, Vietnam has implemented a series of economic reforms and opened up its market to foreign investment. As a result, the country has experienced significant economic growth, averaging over 6% per year for the past decade. Vietnam's economy is primarily based on exports, with key industries including electronics, textiles, and agriculture. The country has also invested heavily in infrastructure, including highways, ports, and airports. Vietnam has a population of over 97 million, making it one of the most populous countries in Southeast Asia. The country is also known for its diverse culture and rich traditions, including its cuisine, music, and festivals. Will Vietnam become Asia's next powerhouse? Vietnam's economic growth and increasing influence in the region have led many to believe that the country could become Asia's next powerhouse. The World Bank has predicted that Vietnam's economy could surpass those of countries such as Spain and Italy by 2025. One key factor in Vietnam's potential growth is its young and educated population. With over 60% of the population under the age of 35, Vietnam has a large pool of workers and consumers that could drive economic growth. Another factor is Vietnam's strategic location, which provides easy access to markets in China, Southeast Asia, and beyond. The country's infrastructure investments have also improved its connectivity to the rest of the region and the world. Despite these advantages, Vietnam still faces challenges, including corruption, income inequality, and environmental concerns. However, the government has implemented reforms to address these issues, and there is optimism that the country can continue on its path to becoming a major player in the global economy. Interesting stories and examples. One interesting story from Vietnam's history is the legend of the Trung sisters. In the 1st century CE, Vietnam was under Chinese control, and the Trung sisters led a rebellion against the Chinese oppressors. The sisters managed to gain control of a large part of Vietnam and establish the Trung dynasty, which lasted for 3 years before being defeated by the Chinese. In recent years, Vietnam's growing economy has led to a boom in entrepreneurship and innovation. One example is the Vietnamese startup, VNG Corporation, which has become a leading provider of digital content and services in the region. Another example is the Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer, VinFast, which aims to become a major player in the global automotive industry. Here are list and describe top 12 attraction in Vietnam. 1. Vietnam is a beautiful country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural landscapes. Here are the top 12 attractions to visit in Vietnam. 2. Ha Long Bay, located in the Gulf of Tonkin, Ha Long Bay is a stunning natural wonder with over 1,600 limestone islands and islets. Visitors can take a cruise around the bay and explore the caves, beaches, and fishing villages. 3. Hoi An Ancient Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hoi An is a charming town with well-preserved architecture from its trading port history. The town is also known for its lanterns, local cuisine, and tailors who can make custom clothing in just a day. 4. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City is Vietnam's largest city and a vibrant hub of culture, commerce, and history. Visitors can explore the French colonial architecture, museums, markets, and street food. 5. Hue Imperial City, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hue was the capital of Vietnam during the Nguyen dynasty. The Imperial City features palaces, temples, and tombs that showcase the country's rich history. 6. Phu Quoc Island, located off the southern coast of Vietnam, Phu Quoc Island is a tropical paradise with white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush forests. The island is also known for its fish sauce, pearl farms, and pepper plantations. 7. Sapa, a mountainous region in northern Vietnam, Sapa is home to ethnic minority communities and breathtaking scenery. Visitors can trek through rice terraces, visit traditional villages, and immerse themselves in local culture. 8. My Son Sanctuary, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. My Son is a complex of Hindu temples and ruins dating back to the Champa Kingdom. The site is located in a lush valley surrounded by mountains. 9. Nha Trang, a coastal city in central Vietnam, Nha Trang is known for its beaches, islands, and marine life. Visitors can snorkel, dive, and explore the local seafood cuisine. 10. Mekong Delta, a vast network of rivers, canals, and rice paddies. The Mekong Delta is a unique ecosystem and cultural hub. Visitors can take a boat tour, visit floating markets, and taste the local fruits and sweets. 11. Da Nang, a coastal city located between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. Da Nang is a modern city with stunning beaches, mountains, and cultural attractions. Visitors can explore the Marble Mountains, Dragon Bridge, and Cham Museum. 12. Cuc Phuong National Park, Vietnam's first national park, Cuc Phuong is a biodiversity hotspot with diverse flora and fauna. Visitors can hike through the forest, spot wildlife, and visit the Endangered Primate Rescue Center. Hanoi, Vietnam's capital city, Hanoi is a mix of old and new with French colonial architecture, traditional markets, and modern skyscrapers. Visitors can explore the Old Quarter, Hong Kiem Lake, and the Temple of Literature. These 12 attractions offer a glimpse into Vietnam's diverse landscape, culture, and history. From natural wonders to cultural treasures, there is something for every type of traveler in Vietnam. In conclusion, Vietnam's rich history, current state, and potential as Asia's next powerhouse make it a fascinating country to explore. With a young and educated population, strategic location, and diverse economic sectors, Vietnam is well positioned for continued growth and development. Its impressive array of natural and cultural attractions, including Ha Long Bay, Hoi An Ancient Town, and Hue Imperial City, offer visitors a glimpse into the country's storied past and vibrant present. From bustling cities to remote mountain villages, Vietnam's beauty and diversity captivate travelers from around the world. As Vietnam continues to emerge as a major player in the global economy, it remains a must-visit destination for those seeking adventure, cultural immersion, and a glimpse into the future of Asia. Further, Vietnam is a country that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the stunning limestone formations of Ha Long Bay to the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City, there is something for every traveler to discover in Vietnam. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient temples and ruins, trekking through rice paddies, or relaxing on tropical beaches, Vietnam has it all. With its growing economy and increasing global presence, Vietnam is poised to become a powerhouse in Asia. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Vietnam is a destination that should be on your travel list. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our and Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.